What's up, you guys? It's Sienna, and today we're going to be doing another unboxing video. Today we will be unboxing the Google Home Mini, which I got for free with Spotify. They had a special offer earlier, like last month, where they allowed you to get a free $50 value Google Home Mini. I got mine in the charcoal color, I believe that's what it was. And yeah, so let's open her up and then go from there. Now it says it's compatible with many apps and partners, including Nest, Philips Hue, Wemo, Google Comcast, Google Photos, Spotify, Netflix, and YouTube. So that's cool. You can ask it things like, where's the nearest flower shop? Call Jane's Flowers. Tell me about my day. Remind me to pick up the cake at 5 p.m. on Friday. Play Stranger Things on Netflix. Play Chill Hits playlist on Spotify. Turn up the thermostat. And it's kind of like, it's a smart home featured item, which allows you to sync it to your smart outlets and things like that, and you can tell it to turn on the lights and things like that. So that's kind of cool. I don't have any smart features in my home currently, but let's see this beauty. I did not think it was going to be like angled like that. I don't know why. But let's get her out of here. It's coral at the bottom, so that's interesting. I definitely expected it to be gray at the bottom. Not that it matters, because I just spill everything everywhere. Here's a piece of cardboard. Here's a instruction manual that I may look at. Here's the outlet, and it goes to micro USB, which I honestly thought it would be USB-C, but I guess it's micro USB. Interesting. Let's see, is there anything else in this box? More cardboard. That looks to be it. So let's just set her aside there. So it has coral bottom, just a little dot. This is the speaker on top. This is a mute button on the side, which you can just slide it. And this is where the micro USB goes. So let's plug her in. Why would the wire be white if it comes as charcoal? Shouldn't you match the wire? Like, at least make it black? I don't know. Maybe that's just me. Maybe I like my wires to be black. At least consistent. I don't know. Those are my thoughts as I walk around the camera. Alright, so I just plugged it in. I see dots. It's thinking. Now I'm not sure. I have to sync it to my phone first, I think, before it lets us do anything. Oh, these are like...
Welcome to Google Home. To get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet.
Okay, I guess it's telling me what to do. Hold on while I switch my battery, though. Alright, we're back. Okay, so I got a new battery in my camera. That's good. I've already downloaded the Google Home app.
Your Google Home isn't set up yet. To get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet.
Let's get started. There's like a second field and it won't let me. Oh, home address. Oh, it makes me put in my address? Okay, well. No peeking. Don't want to dox myself. Next. Allow Google Home to access your location. Okay. Looking for device. Just looking. Has a bunch of different shapes and of the Google colors, you know. Red, blue, green, and yellow. Oh, it found it. Would you like to set up this device? Yeah. Connecting to Google Home Mini. Well, let's see. It says it's supposed to be super easy to do all this, so we'll see about that. Oh, I did hear that sound, yes. Help improve Google Home Mini. No thank you. Where is this device? Why is the top choice an attic? Do you like to keep your Google Home Mini in the attic, people? Gosh. Attic, backyard, and basement are the top 3 options. Like, I get it, it's probably alphabetical, but attic, backyard, and basement. I get basement. At least that's in the house. Attic, that's at least in the house. Backyard, attic. Not all houses have an attic. Not all houses have a basement. That's a bedroom. Let's put it in the bedroom. Office. Actually, I'm going to say it's in the office. Okay, let's connect it to Wi-Fi. Let's see. It's just doing little searching glowing things. It really wants to focus on my face today. At least there's that. At least the camera knows what it's looking at. Meanwhile, it's talking to me. Oh my god, it is. It's powered by Google Assistant. Ask it questions, tell it what to do. Google Partners, Services and Policy. Guess. Teach your assistant to recognize your voice. Okay. Agree to voice match. Okay, I agree. Okay. Okay, Google, play my workout playlist. So far the instructions just say get started. It says plug it in, get the app. Get to know your Google Home Mini. Literally just says, okay, so there's the mic switch. Right side you can tap for volume up, left for volume down. Long press is a pause or play, and long press is play or pause. Thank you. That's basically all this says. Start with OK Google. And then it says be safe. Okay, get your personal results with your voice. Voice match has been set up. I agree. Oh, okay, let's...
Hi, I'm your Google Assistant, here to help you throughout your day.
Hi, I'm your Google Assistant, here to help you throughout your day.
I want it to be the female one.
Hi, I'm your Google Assistant, here to help you throughout your day.
Sirius XM. No, I don't have Sirius XM. I have Netflix. I can connect that. One moment while I type in my information. We are having technical difficulties and are actively working on a fix. Please try again in a few minutes. Well, that's already not very good. Pretty sure just lost the point right there. Alright, guess we're not linking Netflix right now. We don't have Sling. We don't have any of these. Get started with voice calls. Start and receive high quality voice calls with anyone who has Google Duo. No, I don't have Google Duo. So, almost done. Optional, add a payment method. No thank you. Change your caller ID. Link music services. Address, devices, services.
Hi, I'm your Google Assistant. I'm here to help. To learn a few things you can do, continue in the Google Home app.
Hey Google, play some music.
Playing some music on Spotify. You can always feel free to ask, what song is this?
What song is this?
This is the Ballad of Mona Lisa by Panic, at the Disco.
Okay, I had to hold it, stop. Blast and Panic at the Disco. That's copywritten. Okay. Okay Google, tell me about my day.
Hi, you've found the new good morning routine. Let's try it together. First, let's see what your day looks like. And partly cloudy. Today, it'll be partly cloudy, with a forecasted high of 82 and a low of 61. Next, I'll play the news. And just so you know, you can customize this routine. I can also turn on lights, start coffee, play music, play a podcast, and more. To customize your good morning routine, take a look at routine settings in the Google Home app. Have a good day.
Mikey, remember
Let's get started with the latest news update.
Howard. Okay, Google, stop. Editor note, bleep out, or like, make it so it doesn't say our city. Thanks, Mike. Okay. Let's try one more. Okay, Google, tell me a joke.
What do you get when you put a vest on an alligator? An investigator.
I feel like it's making fun of the fact that I live in Florida by making an alligator joke. Okay, well, I guess that's the Google Home Mini. It's kind of cool.
Up first is the Evening Standard.
2 people are fighting for life in hospital after a shooting in the French Quarter of New Orleans. 11
Okay,
people
Google,
were
stop.
shot.
I didn't ask for the news.
In the attack on Sunday, and 2 are now in critical condition.
Okay, Google, stop. Yeah, I didn't ask for that. I didn't want the news. And it just kept telling me it, and I didn't want it. God damn, life sucks out in the real world.
Ferguson told local media that a person of interest had been detained.
I must have been hitting the side thing, that's why it kept going. Whoops. But, it's pretty cool. I'll have that chilling somewhere. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Please give this video a big thumbs up, hit that notification bell, and please subscribe to my channel. I post new videos every Saturday. Yeah. Okay, thanks you guys for watching. Bye!